Samsung Galaxy Note 2 has just received an OTA firmware update. We'll perform the update and check out new feature. Before that, just check out the old update version. This is the kernel version. This is the new software update received right now through OTA. You can see the size of update is 262.88 MB. You must ensure that phone is connected to proper power sources and there should be proper battery available. Otherwise, the phone software will be affected and it can be bricked very easily. The update time depends on the Wi-Fi speed or 3G network bandwidth. As you can see, the update is almost over. The total size, as I had told before, it is 262.88 MB. After the update, we are going to see in detail what additional features or options this new OTA update has added in the phone. You can see this is the installation screen. Once these are the new options which will be provided in the update. I am going to install all of them. Do not turn off the phone or do anything unless you get the actual boot screen. This is the update screen. You can see the process here. The update installation is over now. This new update adds some additional feature in Galaxy Note 2. Features like there will be a customizable notification panel, there will be a new gesture input, also the lock screen is changed here. We'll check out each and every feature in detail afterwards. First, let's see what changes it does to the home screen. It features a multi-screen option and some additional update also, but we can hope to get a more performance from the phone after running the new firmware update. After when update is properly installed and configured, the phone upgrades your applications also. You can see this optimization bar. Now the optimization over and whatever application are configured in the phone will be started as it was before. We'll check out each and every feature in detail. Now the update is over. We'll check out the detail in the settings. You can see here the build number. The kernel version is updated. Let's check out each and every feature added by this new update in detail. Now as the phone is updated, we are going to check each and every feature one by one added after 4.1.2 Android update. First feature is the camera key. You can see the volume key available on the left side. This key can be used for zooming and for capturing photos. You have to tap on camera settings to enable that. You can see here, use the volume key as. When you tap on it, there are two options available here. First is zoom key and second is the camera key. After tapping on zoom key, you can use the key for capturing, for zooming the photo. You can see 4x zoom. The second option is to convert the camera key to an capture key. Both the key does the same job. The second enhancement is in YouTube while viewing videos on a mobile web browser. First, you have to go on the YouTube desktop view page. You can enable that setting from the setting menu. You can see a desktop view. You have to tap on it to enable it, or else it will be open in mobile format. Once you have enabled the desktop view, you have to tap on a video and you have to choose internet instead of YouTube application. You can see a small setting icon here, which is by default available on the web browsers. Now you can see here there is a 480 pixel option available. This was not provided before. You can now view video on a 480 pixel quality also. You will need a good Wi-Fi connection to play video on that quality. It works same as it works on a desktop. The third new feature we got with this update is customization of notification panel. Before it was not possible, there was no setting provided for this. Now after adding the update, we can make changes to the notification panel. For that you have to go in settings, you have to go in display. You can find a notification panel section here. Here you can see 3 columns here. We'll check out the brightness later on. First we'll check out how to customize the panel. You can find 10 icons, default icons available here. All these icons are provided on the top bar. We can add or remove as per our need. For example, for removing an icon you have to just tap on it and drag it below. It will not appear on the top side. In the same way, if you want to add it, you have to just tap on it and drag it on the above panel. You can see it is available here. At a time you can only add 10 icons. There are a few additions in the notification panel. One is driving mode, second is multi-window, and third is smart stay. Now you can adjust your brightness of phone directly through the notification panel. You have to enable brightness adjustment bar on it. When you tap on it, you can see a brightness bar appear just below the notification panel. You have to just drag it to increase or decrease it. Or you can tap on auto mode to adjust the brightness automatically. After adding the new update, we have also found that the brightness has been much improved compared to how it was before. You can see the effect right now here. Now the fourth addition that is available after adding the update is multi-window enable and disable icon. This was not provided before. Now with this icon you can enable and disable multi-window view. We'll check out how it works. You can see this bar here. When you tap on it, it is not on the screen, but it is still working in the back side. You can completely disable this through multi-window icon. Once tap on it, you press the return key for some second, it is not available. So this is one feature which is added after the update. The fifth addition we found after running a new firmware update is a bit improvement in the web browser while surfing. You can open multiple tabs at a single time, and also the browser does not lag. It works very smoothly. You can see the page load speed, it's much better, and also you can, on the same hand, when one website is loading up, you can view another website. These are the improvement in the web browser. Next feature we receive on the new update is ink feature. This is an added visual effect to the lock screen. You can see this here. You can see an ink type effect here. You can customize this as per your need. You have to go in settings. You have to go in display. No, you have to go under in lock screen. This is under personal. You can see ink effect section here. You have to tap on it. From here you can select any color of your choice from 5 to 6 available. For example, orange or green. You can see the short preview here. Just tap on it. Go back on the home screen. This is just a very basic visual improvement in the lock screen. The last addition we got is a bit addition in Samsung keyboard setting. For that you have to go in language and input. You have to tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Here you can find two new options. One is continuous input and second is cursor control. Let's check one by one what both of them offer. First we'll check out continuous input. Continuous input is a feature similar to swipe feature. For example, when you have to type anything, you have to hold the alphabet, you have to drag it, and then you have to leave it when it is completed, and you can see the entire text appear on the screen. The second option is cursor control. It is not really beneficial, but it can be helpful for someone, and it is a bit annoying also. For you can see the cursor blinking over here. You have to just swipe it up to move the cursor on the recipient bar. In the same way, you have to swipe it down to bring it down. It does not work every time, but it's a bit helpful to use. In the same way, it offers you left and right swipe also, but in our case, it is not working well. You can see the cursor is moving. This is some new addition I provided after adding the firmware update on Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Thank you. Visit TechArena.in.